Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I've been on the channel, but it's your boy, the Young CEO. We are back. We are better. I am definitely going to start being more consistent with my videos. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you guys are having an amazing, journey. With everything going on right now, there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets. I just want to come on here, and cover some things. Give you all some updates. Right, I will be more consistent now that I've just been busy with other business ventures that I have actually been starting up and stuff like that. And I also have some awesome news for you guys. Please stay tuned either in the middle of the video, right, or at the end of the video. It depends, right? Stay tuned till the end of the video to see something special, right? I have something special for you guys, something special that I have been actually working on for you guys. I might just leak it in the middle of the video. I don't know yet. When the time comes, the time comes. But anyway, I just want to come on here and, speak to you guys, show you guys what's going on in crypto today, right? Where are we headed? What do I think about the markets? What's going on with Ethereum? What's going on with Bitcoin, right? What's going on with news, XRP, and more. Just the crypto market as a whole and the economy as a whole. Just want to say right now, I am not a financial advisor, right? So anything, right, I say, please do not take that as financial advice, right? Do your own due diligence and your own research. I am not a financial advisor, right? So let's get right into the video. First, I want to start with, we got some wins in the chat, guys. We got some wins in the chat with XRP. XRP actually has gotten a new win against SEC, right? And this is major, right? As you guys know, XRP has been in a lawsuit with SEC, since 2020, right? 2020, 2021, one of those years. It's been about 2 years now that we're going on, over 2 years that we're going on with this lawsuit, right? And XRP is winning, right? From outside perspective, XRP is winning. Ripple is winning in this lawsuit against SEC. Now I'm going to read a little bit about it. We're just going to go over this article. This is a major win for the crypto industry. As you guys see, XRP did rally 10% on the day of, right? So it states here, XRP trades at 44 cents, up 5% on the day, as the price of the token reacts positively to the latest Ripple win against the SEC in the ongoing lawsuit. In the latest development, Judge Annalisa Torres has denied the regulator's motion to seal the controversial Hinman speech documents. All right, so what does this mean? All right, basically the Hinman documents was a speech, right, basically given by former SEC Operation Finance Division Director William Hinman, right, at the Yahoo Finance All Market Summit in June 2018, where he reportedly stated that Ether, the native token of leading layer 1 Ethereum blockchain, is not a security. All right, so this is major, right? This is major. That's really what the entire lawsuit is about. Right here, like, literally sums it up, right? The issue is that she must decide whether Ripple sold XRP as a security, despite the SEC taking broader positions at times in this litigation that seemed to suggest any sale of XRP was an investment contract or one, right? So this is major for XRP, right? As you guys see, they are falling back on their statements, and as of June 2018, where basically Director William Hinman, the guy who gave the speech at Yahoo Finance at the All Market Summit, said that Ether, which is a layer 1 blockchain, is not a security. Ripple believes it's a vital piece of evidence to help them with its case against the U.S. regulator. right? So I mean, there's a lot going on right now, right? And right here, I believe this is the Hinman speech. This is my first time actually going through this article. The Hinman speech documents are judicial documents subject to a strong presumption of public access. The court disagrees. They are judicial documents subject to a strong presumption of the public access because they are relevant to the performance of judicial function and useful in the judicial process. All right. So, as an outcome, XRP, the price of XRP did go up 10% and rally 10% that day. So, I mean, this is all positive news for XRP. I believe that there's something else going on in the back end with the whole thing with XRP because they did disable deposits for XRP in the United States, and even withdrawals. So, I mean, I think there's something going on the back end for sure. Despite the technology that this coin, this coin actually brings to the blockchain, right? So yeah, I mean, it is ISO compliant as well. So that's another thing that XRP has, right? So let's just look into the charts for a little bit, right? Let's see what else is going on. Let's look real quick, guys. So right now it is May, and one thing that I want y'all to know is in terms of where we're at right now in the markets as a whole, right? Inflation has been killing us, right? As you know, just as consumers in general, right? Over the last couple of months, a year to a month, right? So right now it is May. The dollar index, the market does have a seasonal tendency to actually, the markets does have a seasonal tendency when it comes to the month of May, right? The month of May, it's more so, the dollar is going to be running and other assets will be bullish, right? Other assets will present as bearish, and the dollar will be running bullish, right? And that's a seasonal tendency, right? That's happening right now, and that happens majority of, not every year, but majority of the time within the May month, right? The dollar does run hot and other assets do start to decline and fall, right? So that's what we're seeing right now. A lot of investors, a lot of people want to know why other assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, certain stocks, Nas 100, the entire stock indexes, why are they bearish, right? It's because right now we're in a seasonal tendency within the month of May where the dollar index is running hot. The dollar value is going up, right? So, yeah, as the dollar goes up, other assets go down. Please remember that. That's actually a vital thing to know, is the confluence between the dollar and other asset classes is an important thing to know. I just gave you guys a gem. Make sure y'all write that down. Make sure you remember that. As the dollar is going hot, other asset classes will tend to trade lower, and you should look for more shorts within that time period. Now, if the dollar's running lower, that's when you guys will see stocks and crypto and other asset classes start to trade up, right? You want to look for longs. You want to trade higher. The momentum is bullish, right, in other asset classes. So those are gems that I just gave y'all for confluence. Confluence is basically lining up two different market types, two different asset classes, and basically you're just aligning the bias of each asset class, right? That's basically all it is. So I'm gonna deep dive now into Bitcoin and Ethereum for y'all. I did pre-market up because I had this marked up for a while. In the previous videos, I did do a market for y'all, and it's very similar to this one, right? As you guys can see, I'm looking at the market. and basically we have fair value gaps in this area, so that I did say that we were gonna run into. Right now I'm on the monthly chart. Right, I personally believe, right, we had this phase right here. This is our accumulation phase. If you guys did not accumulate Bitcoin, that's your fault. Right, you please stop trying to catch the bottom of the bottom. Really, what you guys want to do is dollar cost average into your positions, right? Especially right now, right, in a time of fair uncertainty. You had FTX, right? FTX got literally imploded. You got, like, FTX got exposed. BlockFi got exposed. Celsius got exposed, right? Like, these exchanges are getting exposed. Even banks, right? Banks are getting exposed, right? Nothing is 100% guaranteed. So please make sure that you guys cover your risk. And of course, just dollar cost average, because you're never going to catch the bottom. Accumulate in these areas, right? When the price is consolidating. Consolidating means going just in one area, right? This is consolidation when the market is just going sideways, right? Consolidation in the past, right? Now with Bitcoin, you got it consolidating right here. That's places you would like to accumulate. Right now, we did see this run up, this little relief rally. We did get that, the little relief rally. I like to call it a relief rally because there was a lot of fear within this entire 3-month span right here, right? A lot of fear, and we're getting our relief rally. I still believe that from this point on, we still rally to this point, right? Maybe $35,000, $30,000 a coin, right? And then I really want to see us take this low, right? This low, and trade right back into this fair value gap, right? I think that's an ideal entry, and I think that's an ideal spot. It doesn't have to, like, the market doesn't have to do it, but in terms of what I'm anticipating, we could see in Bitcoin. I'm anticipating that Bitcoin does run below this low and trades into that fair value gap. Now, when Bitcoin comes to 30,000, I feel like people are gonna be like, "Oh, Bitcoin's revived." Like, the mindset and the psychology of people and investors, and people that don't make money, I feel like they're the ones that are going to be like, "Oh, Bitcoin's revived. Bitcoin's going to its all-time high. Now that's at 35,000. Oh, we're good. We're safe." Right? I feel like that's the type of mindset that's going to take place within this zone, right? Is Bitcoin back alive? That's exactly the topic that people are going to literally be talking about. But in reality, I'm seeing this as a turning point to go back lower, and then eventually come back into this low. We're looking at $12,000 to probably $8,000 a coin, right? So, I mean, I wouldn't throw the bag at it. Like, I wouldn't throw the bag, literally throw your bag at it. You want to make sure you have enough. You want to make sure you have enough liquidity and enough cash flow to actually throw a bag at Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these other investments that you want to invest in. Like I said, this is not financial advice. This is just something that I'm seeing in the market. Please do your due diligence, and you're literally, like, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take this as financial advice, right? Do your trade at your own risk. You know what I'm saying. But if you guys could see right here, from the high of 2017 bull run to the low, we did get an 83%, almost 84% drop, right, within Bitcoin. Now, if we go from the high of 2021's bull run to 83%, right, we're getting at $11,000 per coin in that zone, right, which 83%, between 80 and 86% has been the hotspot for Bitcoin when it's when the coin is actually going back down, when the coin is at its lows, right? I actually want to go through, I think it's called Brave. Hold on one second, I'm gonna pull it up real quick. It's right here. Right, I did mark it up for y'all. So 2013, my bad. In 2013, right, you had, this is literally the 2013 bull run, right? It's 2013 bull run, start of the 2013 bull run. If you look at the Brave New Coin liquidity, right, this is the index for Bitcoin. From its high to its low. All right, 86%, right? And mind you, you got this fair value gap right here. As you guys know, there is an algorithm in these markets, and they do repeat. So just want to let y'all know that this is a fair value gap in this area. Price came down, traded right into that fair value gap, and traded right back up in 2017, right? From all-time high to that lower low, right? To that lower low, 86% decrease, right? Then you had the 2017 bull run came into effect. Obviously, you got a fair value gap here, and then you got some gaps in this area right here, right? So from the high of that bull run to the low of that bull run, we're looking at 84%, right? It traded from the all-time high to the lower low at 84%, right? Retracement level. Price came in and traded right into that fair value gap, went even lower. In these areas right here, this was time for you guys to accumulate price. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, even down here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 months of accumulation, right? As giving you guys time, but just know that when it does do this little spike, when it does go down, it's not gonna be there for long, right? Price doesn't stay there for long. Like here, this wick right here, this candlestick went down, and this is a 1 month, right, of literally trading into this fair value gap, clearing all these lows. Like when the move happens, it happens quick, so you want to make sure you're dollar cost averaging and not trying to catch the bottom. Right now, the zone that I did mark up from our all-time high of last bull run to this area, this zone, this fair value gap, that's 82.8%, so 83% right there, right? If we want to go to 85%, that's $10,000 per coin, right? So I mean, that's an ideal spot of where I would like to see Bitcoin come to. I don't think it will be a move that it's gonna be there like for a couple of months. I think that this move is gonna happen quick and then just bounce right back up, right? That's exactly what I believe that's gonna happen. So I mean, you definitely want to be dollar cost averaging. Right now, I'm not grabbing any Bitcoin. I'm just being patient for Bitcoin to actually trade back lower, down into this zone. I did accumulate Bitcoin in these zones, so I mean, I'm not like having FOMO or fear of missing out because I actually accumulated the coin. Now I want to just take a look at Ethereum. So Bitcoin, I'm looking at 10,000, still 10,000, $8,000 per coin. Ethereum is very interesting, right? Ethereum, a lot of you guys know that Bitcoin moves first, Ethereum next, and then all coins follow, right? Ethereum did have its implementation of it has an implementation of EIP 1559. I think that's what it's called. Right now, the difference around this time is that Ethereum is going to have a burning mechanism. Obviously, the supply of Ethereum is infinite, but the more that the supply is burning, the more that the more ETH that's being burnt, the lesser of the less of the supply. Does that make sense? So I mean, it's like fire and water coming together. Literally, that's kind of what it is. You got infinite like supply, but you got a burning mechanism. So ETH is kind of considered deflationary, right? Because it does have a burning mechanism. So what's happening, right, with ETH? ETH, I say we come to this zone. I have a fair value gap in this area. This is our fair value gap. We did trade up into that fair value gap. I mean, Bitcoin, I could see Bitcoin trade a little bit higher into this gap. So we might see ETH follow a little bit higher, but I don't think we're going to break out of this zone yet until the next bull run. I say we still accumulate in this zone, and we do go past this low, trading into these fair value gaps lower, right? So I mean, that's kind of like what I want to see with ETH. $500 per coin, $650, $700 per coin. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's kind of the zone that I want to like really throw a bag, literally just throw the bag at ETH. Like I said, not financial advice. Not giving y'all no financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Do your own risk. Trade at your own risk, right? So that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Same thing unfolds with Ethereum with its percentages and stuff. So, I mean, that's basically all, right? We could actually look at XRP because we did speak about XRP and its lawsuit. See what we're looking at for XRP, guys. Hold on 1 second. My crypto watch list at. There we go. Alright, XRP. Alright, one thing is with XRP, it's like a major consolidation phase with XRP. That's kind of what I see right now with XRP. We got accumulation here and accumulation here. Like, it's so much accumulation going on with the coin itself. Like, a lot of accumulation here. We got massive accumulation here in this area. Accumulation here. Like, XRP, to be honest, throughout like the entire years of its bull run, like crypto bull run, it has been literally just been consolidating. And I feel like that's for a reason, right? I feel like XRP will have a big rally one day. I don't know when. We don't know when, but I feel like XRP, because of the technology, right? The banks, these institutions are actually, going to be utilizing XRP, right? And the entire financial system will be one day using XRP, and the amount of money that's going to be flowing into this coin and this crypto is going to be a lot of money. So I have a feeling that XRP will have a big run one day. I don't know, like, obviously I don't know where to, but it like its potential is there to obviously run up. I say XRP, see this, we are right here, swing right here. I mean, these are our standard deviations right here for our targets. So we got target 1, target 1 right here. It's $5, almost $5. Target 2 right here, that's $6. And then you got target 3, $8. So I mean, who knows where XRP could go? I mean, that's just like me just drawing on the charts, kind of. So I mean, XRP is definitely one that you want to have in your wallet for sure. I see Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and those are the original ones, right? A lot of these other cryptos did come afterwards, I'm just sticking to the original ones, and I am actually allocating, some funds to the other ones, like Chainlink. That's literally, like, Chainlink is literally the lifeline of DeFi, decentralized finance, right now, and it's involved with multiple projects. Like, that's another coin that I would definitely recommend. Solana, major. It's like, it's literally basically like ETH when it just started out. Like, although Solana did have a lot of FUD with like the FTX thing situation, and I see Solana blockchain, and it does crash. Like, I see the Solana blockchain actually definitely thriving when it comes to just innovation of the blockchain. As NFTs, they're building metaverses, they're building games, they're building a lot of things. Decentralized finances on Solana. They're building everything that Ethereum has, Solana has. But Solana is just a little bit more centralized, while Ethereum is just a little bit more decentralized. Right? And just to let you guys know, the Helium network is actually transferring over to Solana's blockchain, like, which is cool. Like, Helium is IoT, Internet of Things, right? Internet of Things technology. Where you at? Helium is Internet of Things technology, and they have miners and all that. So if you guys didn't update y'all miners, please update y'all miners, because they are switching from Helium to Solana, and I believe the coin will be called like IoT, or something like that, IoT or something like that. But that's another update to give y'all on this market. As far as the total market cap, you got $1.8 trillion in crypto right now. For value gap in this zone, we still haven't reached that gap. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, y'all still have some room to run. We still have some room to run, and then I say we do transfer back lower, below these lows, taking this liquidity out, filling this for value gap, as well as, guys, if you guys look at this, right, this could be a breaker, right? Breaker block, literally, in this zone. You got for value gap, and you got a breaker right there. So, I mean, price doesn't line up any much cleaner than I just explained it. So, I mean, this is what I'm looking for. So, yeah. All right. So, without further ado, I'm basically done, right? I'm basically, I don't really have anything else right now. I did want to share something special with you guys. I just want to let you guys know that I did launch. All right, hold on. I need a drum roll. Somebody put a drum roll in the chat. Right? Drum roll, please. Like, I need a drum roll, guys. Anyway, I did launch my crypto ebook, right? It's called Cryptocurrencies for Geniuses, right? So, Cryptocurrencies for Geniuses by the Young CEOs. We actually came together, and we actually delivered something special. It is the cryptocurrency. It's the cryptocurrency. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna look it up for you. Alright, guys, so this is it right here. It's called the Cryptocurrency Essentials for Geniuses, right? So I have something. So yeah, the Cryptocurrency Essentials for Geniuses. This is the thing that I wanted to actually come out and say. We officially launched our ebook, right? Our official ebook for $35. You guys go grab it now. This is all the essentials and everything that you need to understand cryptocurrency, right? The A to Z on how to actually really how to understand, and actually not understand, but overstand cryptocurrency, right? What you want to say overstand, right? Because if you say understand, you're standing under. You want to overstand this cryptocurrency knowledge, right? Get your essentials now. It's $35, right? In this book, it shows you, includes the intro to crypto, phases of cryptocurrency, how to analyze crypto projects like we do, ways to earn income inside this industry and market. It's not going to only show you one way. It's going to show you multiple ways on how to actually earn money in this market and in this industry, right? More cryptocurrency essentials, right? Things not to do in the crypto markets, right? Because we've seen a lot of people, some of y'all know who I'm talking about. We've seen a lot of people do some really bad things in the crypto market, right? So, we don't want to see y'all investing into some sad projects, right? The Young CEO's personal crypto resources. You guys get my personal resources that I do not put out. I'm not putting it anywhere else. It will be in this book, right? And you get more tools with that, right? So there's a lot of things in this book. There's a lot of things in this book for you guys to take away. So please, go purchase this book. The Cryptocurrency Essentials for Geniuses ebook. That's what you guys want to get. It's $35. Don't be cheap. Being cheap is not investing into yourself. Do yourself a favor and invest into yourself, right? The Cryptocurrency Essentials for Geniuses. All right. Make sure you grab up. Now, hey guys, that's basically it. I just wanted to come on here and explain, give you guys some sauce, give you guys some gems, give you guys some knowledge. Please, sorry, my throat's getting dry. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, and show your boy some support, right? I just dropped y'all a lot of gems. I'm dropping y'all a lot of gems. I'm gonna be coming on here more often. I just dropped my crypto ebook that's out now for you guys. So go actually cop it up, go buy it, go do your research and all that. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk. My videos are for entertainment purposes only. So go ahead, do your thing. I'll see y'all on the side of success.